Hello everyone, welcome to Rebecca's Sewing Quests. Today we will be looking at the Victorinox knife, Swiss Army knife, and it's the Huntsman model. And it got the camo scales that you can get them in different colors. The original red, ruby red, sapphire blue, or any color. This was $31 on Amazon. I'll include the link in the descriptions below. And let's take a look at this knife and what features it has. First, we have the standard toothpick. Then, on the other side, we have tweezers. Then we have a key ring. You can put like paracord and braid it, or lanyard on there, or you could even put it on your keys. And it would help you find your keys if you couldn't find them. And let's take a look at the back here. This is a corkscrew. It did not come with an eyeglasses screwdriver. And it's supposed to have a stick pin here, but it didn't come with that either. But you can get those tweezers, toothpicks, eyeglasses screwdrivers, and stick pins on eBay or on Amazon. And let's take a look at this. First we have the multi-purpose hook. You can use it for carrying bags or getting through tight places or anything like that. It's a multi-purpose hook and it's used for multi-purposes. Next, we have the awl. You can use it for sewing canvas, or if there's like a rip in your tent or in your clothes, you can sew it right up. And it is also useful for poking more holes in your leather belt to make it fit more your size if you wanted to. Alright, let's take a look at the other side. Right here we have flathead screwdriver and a very handy standard can opener. It's got a 90-degree angle. Then we have the bottle opener, a flathead screwdriver, and wire stripper. 90-degree angle. Got a large blade. Then we got a small blade. Then we have the standard saw blade. You can use it to cut wood or any other material like that. Then we have the standard Victorinox scissors. They got a wire to keep something like that. And that covers most of the amazing features about this Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe to Rebecca's Sewing Quest, this channel. And I hope you all have a great day.